select ride or race.
What is going on, Select Rider Race? A little bit of a different video here for you. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. We are almost to 1,000. 1,000 or 1 subscribers, I will keep making videos. But I want to start this video off saying thank you to my big sister. Big shout out to her, because without her I wouldn't be doing this video. As you can see, I'm wearing my new Bell racestar Flex helmet that I'm absolutely in love with. I've worn this helmet probably half a dozen times and I cannot get over it. If you're thinking about doing a helmet upgrade, do it now. It's worth every dollar. I was a firm believer in any helmet that, has any kind of spend quality on it was good enough. Spend $200 to $300 and you're plenty good. Equally as good as a $500 to $800 helmet. But I was wrong. This Bell racestar Flex is everything. This helmet is so amazing. Going straight from a Bell, what I would have to call now no star, this helmet it's out of this world. Obviously, it's got more vents. This transition shield is it's everything. I didn't know what I was missing until I didn't have one. I went back to briefly use my Bell no star helmet the other day. And overall, I cannot get over how great this helmet is. The quality build, the colors, the transition shield is it's absolutely amazing. This helmet is 10 times quieter than my old Bell helmet. Now, obviously, we're comparing a $200 helmet to a over $800 helmet, but that's what you get in the build quality. This helmet, not only the look, but the design, the build quality, how light it feels in comparison to my old Bell helmet. And I'm going straight from a Bell helmet to a Bell helmet. So I have grown to like my Bell helmets, but once again, big shout out to my big sister for this helmet. I mean, this is absolutely one of the best gifts that I've ever received. And she doesn't know how well it fits in with everything else I have. But if you're looking at doing a helmet upgrade, go out there and do it. Don't waste any time. You need a quality helmet, whatever that means. It doesn't matter the price, but make sure you're wearing a quality helmet, because this Bell racestar Flex has changed my input on riding. It's changed the entire ride for me, and I mean, I just can't be happy enough with the helmet. Everything about it, there's absolutely zero flaws with the helmet. It has magnetic detachable cheek pads. I mean, what more could you want? It looks great. This is I'll never be able to go back to lower end helmet again. So if you're looking for a new helmet, maybe looking to get something a little more stylish, a little more safe, a little more quiet, check out this Bell Racestar Flex. This helmet is worth everything. It's worth it. Do the helmet upgrade. Do not cheap out on buying something to protect your head. And though I got this for a gift, I would purchase this with my own money had I known what the quality was. But once again, this is Select Rider Race. I hope you guys will go down. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And if you don't have a YouTube, put me in your bookmarks. Bookmark me. And check out all the stuff I got coming to the channel. But in the meantime, guys, this is Select Rider Race. We appreciate all the subscribers we got. Thanks again. Big shout out to my big sister for getting me this special Bell Racestar Flex helmet with this transition shield. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you're looking for a new helmet, maybe go check out a new Bell. Thanks for watching. Select Ride or Race.